welcome to my channel. Based on this title, you know that this is a prep with me video for my summer vacation trip, and I'm just so excited. But also I'm a mess. Like, look at my room. This is just one of my suitcases, and my other suitcase is over there. But look at my entire room. Everything is a mess. Well, beside my bed, but everything else is crazy. Even my vanity area, it's like, whoa. Yeah. I'm super excited, but I have exactly 6 days from today. Today's the 13th, and I'm going to try to edit this video tonight because I don't work tomorrow and I don't work tonight. So I got a little time to finish packing, also edit and post this on YouTube because yeah. And y'all let me know in the comment if you guys want to see like the day that I leave, like, you know, the whole airport vibe type of video. And yeah, let me know if you would like to see that type of video, and I will literally upload it. Like, I will take my time to make it, upload it, and yeah. So let's get straight into this video. I'm so excited. Hey everyone, so starting, I'm getting all the comfortable things that I know I will need, starting with socks, underwear, tank top, and like sweatpants. Of course I didn't show everything because I feel like it's just not necessary to be on camera, but these are some of the things that I will be packing. Some bralettes and things that I know I definitely need to be comfortable wearing for summer vacation. And then I'll be getting some summer dresses, and then denim stuff. I have a denim jean skirt. I'm only taking one, and then the rest are just like my denim jean jacket, 2-piece sets, and jean pants that I will be wearing with my outfits. And then I'll just be filling it up in my suitcase. Believe it or not, I was able to fit everything in here, and it's able to be less than 50 pounds, which is so surprising, but I'm very happy about. And the first suitcase is complete. It's just all clothes in the first one, and it is done. Next, I will be laying out all my favorite fragrances of the year and deciding which ones I want to take for this vacation. I ended up deciding on Bois d'Argent and Eau d'Ispahan by Dior, the Black Valentino, and then My Way by Giorgio Armani, and then all of the tiny minis, and you will see me have them in my black Dior toiletry bag. And then next I'll be getting my makeup, beauty things, and skincare products, because the day of my trip, like, I want to be barefaced. So yeah, I'm packing every makeup item that I know I will need. My foundation, primers, my lip oils, eyelash glue, lip glosses, beauty blenders, and everything you will see me packing here. My favorite brands, as you can tell, is Fenty and Dior. Like, they literally have me in a chokehold. This is not even sponsored. Like, I'm literally just in a chokehold. Like, it is just too bomb. And let me know if you guys want to see a get ready with me for the day that I leave for my trip, or just anything that y'all want to see, like, regarding this trip. I'm not just going to Belgium. I'll be making a couple stops to Paris and other south side of France as well. So yeah. And when I'm done packing my makeup things, you will see, like, with my bags and pouches, like, I turned the Dior pouches into a purse, y'all. And I bought like the straps and everything from Amazon. So if y'all want to see a tutorial on that, like I said, like, I don't mind making them as long as y'all want to see them. I'm taking my mini Telfar, these Dior pouches, like every single like CD or Dior pouches y'all see, I turn them into a purse, so I can take it on these vacations. And yeah, this is all of them laid out together. And then this is a Dior phone charm that I turn into a bracelet or anklet depending on how I'm feeling. And this eyeshadow that I cannot wait to try on my vacation. And yeah, and then next is just skincare stuff. This is a like face wash, and my favorite ones from Fenty, And then I want to try these Naturium body washes because they said it's good for body acne, and yeah, I'm gonna be taking them. And then my Polaroid, my makeup wipes, and my sneakers. I ended up taking 4 sneakers, New Balance, Vans, Nikes, and then next I will add my favorite summer sandals and my Crocs. Like, I could not leave that here. Like, I am in love. It's all platform and pretty. Like, I had to take them. And now, like, I have a lot of denim pieces because I've just been in a chokehold with like denim bags, denim shoes, and these are my favorite like heels and just summer like essentials that I feel like will be perfect for me to wear to just Belgium, France, Paris. It just screams like the type of shoes that I want to take on a European trip. And yeah, it's finally done, you guys. This is the end of the video. Let me know what more you guys want to see. The packing is final, and thank y'all so much for watching this video. Like and comment and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.